Hi guys, so I'm float testing this steel hull. Got what have I got in there? 4 bricks and a paver. That paver's probably heavier than a brick. Yeah, seems to be holding water. Holding here. Not taking in much. Don't see anything yet. Poopy welds and a lot of silicone, so you know. It looks alright. So I might go ahead with this build then. It's supposed to be a landing craft slash river ferry type deal. It's going to come along here, then go down, then below, and then come up, and there'll be a pilot house up here. Kind of a barge type thing. So far so good. In the back there I want to put 2 jet units, 40mm probably, but I'm not buying anything at the moment with what's going on globally, so yeah, I think I'll just build this on the side. I didn't have any plans to film this, it's just so I've got a toy boat to play with when I go to my mate's property. It's got a lake next to it. So yeah, just a wee thing that I'm doing on the side. Yeah. This is the plans I'm very loosely basing the boat on. It's there's no measurements or anything like that, but it does just give me an idea of proportions and things like that. So yeah, it should be fun to do. I'm going to do it at a different scale though. It's not going to be a big boat like that. It's going to be a smaller boat, more like a what would you call it? Small scale personal freight hauler type thing, not vehicle size. Yeah. Alright. That's enough of this video. It's just a quick show and tell. Catch us later.